Okay, welcome back. Again, this is Gino Salcedo, Lego City Fan 1994. As you can see here, we're almost finished with this elevator thingy. And now, we're on to the final part, the top of the building. Okay, here we go.
For only $59.99 each. Head to Knox.com for details. This is April at Timmons VW. We've been doing this for 34 years here in Long Beach. So just relax, reach out, and grab the keys to your new VW. Stop in and experience the Timmons touch for yourself. You've got a family member in the car business.
It's the Diet Do Challenge.
Well, Kenny, it all comes down to this. Voltage versus Supernova. My favorite versus your favorite. One will be the newest permanent flavor of Diet Mountain Dew.
Yes, Aaron, and we on Team Voltage have made this one a virtual lock. We've vlogged, set up social networking accounts, dropped Twitter bombs.
What's a Twitter bomb?
I'm not sure.
Well, I'm letting fans know that Supernova is delicious and it's in stores now. That way they can go try it and go to dietdchallenge.com.
That means Voltage is probably in stores now, too. I should mention that in one of my online yak bags.
What's a yak bag?
No.
Go to dietdchallenge.com to vote for Diet Do Supernova or Diet Do Voltage. Every Friday until April 22nd, get a free Pepsi fountain drink at L&L Barbecue with any regular or healthier seafood plate. Offer valid at participating L&L Hawaiian Barbecue locations. Visit hawaiianbarbecue.com for details.
Automobile Magazine recently named the 2011 Sonata to their annual All-Stars list as one of the most outstanding cars of the year. They called it an unquestioned leader in the segment that burst with excellent automobiles. They went on to say an increasing number of savvy Americans are beating a path to Hyundai's door. Look out. Sonata becomes a stampede.
Now, you can lease the 2011 Sonata GLS for $199 a month for 36 months. Only $23.99 via signing. Plus, you'll get the peace of mind of Hyundai assurance, including America's best warranty, but only at your Southern California Hyundai dealer. Visit MySoCalHyundai.com today. America's best warranty claim based on what is happening in the program. See dealer for the warranty details. Hyundai assurance is valid only for Hyundai Motor Finance or lease with participating dealers only for up to 1 year after purchase. Restrictions apply. See your participating dealer for details. Tax title only international. Call 1-877-222-4344 for lease details. Offer ends through 3101.
The Home Depot has Scott's Turf Builder Plus 2 weed control for only $16.44. It covers 5,000 square feet. You also get a bottle of Roundup Ready to Use Weed and Grass Killer free. Time to buy it and apply it. We're lowering the cost of staying out of the weeds thanks to Scott's Turf Builder Plus 2 weed control for only $16.44. Plus a half-gallon bottle of Roundup free. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. U.S. Pharmacy Circle Depot.
Just saved on my nice kid diapers. So I bought my baby a new
Chainsaw, and they mark down the best smells.
Choose for the price of one.
People love to talk about great deals. And if you talk to your neighbors, some of them are bound to tell you about State Farm. Thanks to discounts of up to 40%. Switching to State Farm can save you hundreds. No wonder 40 million drivers trust State Farm. That's more drivers than Geico and Progressive combined. So ask a neighbor. Then go to discountdoublecheck.com or call 1-800-STATE-FARM. Discount presented by state.
So every spring, I love driving the family out to the country to see trees on. It's corny, I know, but it's something my father did, so kind of a tradition. We load up on a good tractor, hop into our Subaru, and just go. Taking a different direction every year, and we're just appreciating everything that the world has to offer. Well, now, I'm the one driving the Subaru. So we've made it through rain, mud, and the sometimes friendly weather. We haven't missed a spring bloom yet. We take a meteor shower.
Alright, you got two of these. Get it like that. Alright. See that hole?
Is built with a zero landfill plant because loving
Alright, Mom. Not yet. Okay, anyways. I'm afraid we missed a few parts. I'll show it to you right now. Okay, this red, transparent red goes on the right part, which is the computer thingy. The transparent green goes onto the radar signal thingy. This part, transparent green, and on the left and on the right is the transparent red. Alright, anyways, also, I'm gonna have to go back. Okay. Now to put the building on top. Alright, this goes on to here. Alright. This probably goes here then. Okay. This part goes here. There's a walkie-talkie, it goes there. I'll show you how to build the minifigures. Here's the first one. Actually, it's this way. Okay, here's the second one. Yeah, all three of the minifigures in this set have the same uniform, and you don't have to follow the instructions like I'm doing right now. Okay, here are the two minifigures, and there's one more inside this truck. Now for the final thingy right there, I just showed you before. You'll have to put this on here. Okay. You have to be very careful. Okay. Alright. Okay. There. Okay. We are finished. Alright. So now, this is it for the fire station. Stay tuned for the fourth and final part of this set, which I'm going to do a review on. So don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.